Hey there, we're gonna review this light socket plug-in fan. Takes 110 plug-in on a regular light bulb socket. It's very quiet. It only does go forward though. There's no reverse function of this fan. It does include a remote with 5 speeds. So you can set your different speeds for the fan. You can set a timer for it. You can have the fan off or on itself. The light supports 3 different light outputs on it, so you can change your brightness in the room, and we'll show you how to install it and show you how the remote works. So here's one of the 3 lights. As you can tell, the remote control is nice, quiet. You know, buttons aren't loud. You change the fan speeds. It's nice and quiet, doesn't interfere with people's sleep.